Select ride or race.
Select ride or race.
Guys, jumping on the Ninja 1000. We're gonna go ahead and see if we can get a nice little view real quick of this wonderful dashboard. I love it on this motorcycle here. The dashboard is absolutely wonderful. We're gonna see what this thing got. Weight's terrible. The dash setting is almost out of this world. Looks amazing. They have the axle slider covers on there. No engine covers, stock exhaust. This bike should have heat warmers, if I'm not mistaken, but looking around, it's not looking like there is any heat warmers. Shows you battery life, miles per gallon. Turn signals.
Alright, riders, let's do one last safety check. Gloves on, zippers up, helmets buckled. If everybody's good to go, let's go ahead and get a thumbs up. Keep the thumbs up so I can see everybody's ready.
Ergos feel pretty good, pretty comfortable.
First, and you guys will follow.
Has the mirror spark, or I'm gonna guess that's called spark black tank.
Z900, W800, Ninja 1000.
Power band feels really nice for a stock motorcycle. Very very smooth, this Ninja 1000. Super smooth. Cruise control, mode buttons. Nice little windscreen to cover you over for the most part. A nice little BMW. I think that was a K1800 if I'm not mistaken. I'm no expert though. This bike couldn't be any more smooth. And for a 1000, I'm certain this thing can move. And you'll still be comfortable the whole time. Turn signals, a little wonky. Oh yeah, the power is real nice. For a stock exhaust, you put something nice on this thing, it'll probably grumble something vicious. Give you a nice little rumble. Transmission is flawless. Oh my goodness. Max, it's got you a lean angle. This bike has 1,739 miles on it. And I mean, this is great. I love it. So we got the clutchless up and down shift on this. Butter smooth. Kawasaki quick shifters are where it's at. This thing is butter smooth, man, I tell you what. It's got the shift light set to about $4,000, I think. Position is super nice. Oh yeah, she's got some ultra bite. Obviously, it's a 1000. Of course it's fast. I mean, what do you expect? It's a 1000cc motorcycle. Of course it's going to be wicked fast. Just think, that's just acceleration to 4 or 5. Just imagine opening this thing up. You don't need those extra gears all the time when you're riding around town. You don't necessarily have to shift at all, because this thing's got it all in first gear. Ergos are super comfortable. super set up properly for someone who wants to necessarily take some longer rides. Suspension is just absolutely killing these holes. If I was somebody who didn't like racing so much, wasn't concerned about being this comfortable, I have a excess of comfortability on my Ninja H2, but this is just a notch above that. It's just a step over the top of, you know, this thing just has a little more comfortability, that's all. It's just the way the seating is. The dash is beautiful. The transmission is butter smooth. Yeah, that thing can romp. I mean, tuned different, not supposed to be a sport bike. Yeah, that 1000 can bang. Naturally, I'm a connoisseur of speed, so I don't really wanna, nor do I need to take this bike all the way up there. This bike will do over 150 miles an hour easy, with no real effort at all. And you can put someone on the back. This has clutchless upshifting, and I don't believe it has the downshifting. Love how clear that dash is. 50 miles an hour, hit it. Yeah, that thing will fucking ghost. If you are looking for a great sport touring motorcycle to go everywhere on, the Ninja 1000 SX is what you want. You want to go fast, you want to still experience that exhilaration that you get when you lay in the throttle. This is the bike you want to grab. Super comfortable, tons of room on the back seat here, tons of room. Cowie working with these new handlebars for your passenger, little grab-ons. And that's what this thing is all about. I mean, it's overkill for the street, but at the same time, if you're touring, you want that extra goose. Oh yeah, butter smooth. Oh, this thing is like wonders. Oh my gosh, it feels, you know, this is gonna make you smile, cruise, ride. This should be their icon for the Let the Good Times Roll event. Like, this is the Good Times rolling bike. I mean, you can have an absolute blast and do it all day long. All day long. You're never gonna feel, and I mean, now I will say within reason, I haven't spent time on the bike, so, but based on the way I feel about the body positioning, I don't think after a long ride you'll feel it on this bike. I don't even think personally you'll be ready to get off yet. Cause I'm not. I'm having a blast on this motorcycle here. This is a sheer just, this is my favorite bike here. Not because it's 1000, but everything about it. Everything about it. From the transmission, to the way the power is delivered, to I love this dash. I love it. Cap. I love the ergos. I love the transmission. I absolutely cannot not pressure enough how much I love the way the power is delivered on this bike. Of course it's fast, it's a 1000cc, but I'm talking power delivery, baby. This thing, it bites just right. It's enough. This will put a grin from ear to ear on most people's faces before they can really even run the RPMs up at all. At all, I mean. Just, you have this amazing dash in front of you to view all the time. Traction control. Cruise control. Let's see if we can get this cruise control going, eh? Cruise control's on. Set it at 47. And there it is. Cruise controlling. That's awesome. That's so sick. Just like in your car where you set it and you reset it. You hit your brakes and you can get off it. Set it to 47 and increase. That's awesome. Literally increasing my speed without touching at all. 52, 53. Windscreen clearance is super awesome. It's keeping a lot of wind resistance off of me. Sending it right over the top. Probably right straight smack dab into the middle of my GoPro 360 camera. Kawasaki has not joined in with the other motorcycle manufacturers with raising their prices for no reason. Innovation costs money. Growing costs money. Creating new technology costs money. So when I tell you that this Ninja 1000 SX is 10 times, even 15 times better than the 09 Ninja 1000 I rode not too long ago, which I will link that video here in the description. This bike has leaps and bounds over that motorcycle in every way possible. Not just the way the power is delivered, the speed, the extra horsepower I'm certain this bike has over an 09 model. The beautiful dash. This Ninja 1000 is most sport touring guys' dream. Me personally, being a sport bike guy, I love this machine. I love everything about it, and currently I cannot come up with a complaint for why it is I wouldn't like this motorcycle. The ergos are fantastic. They're fantastic. The cruise control is dead on. Everything about this motorcycle I am very, very pleased with. And I am, happy, even, ecstatic that I got a chance to ride a machine like this. I like the way it sits, the power delivery. If I had any more room today, I would have been chuckling like a little girl. But this is your Ninja 1000 SX 2020 review. If you're looking for a new sport tour, go over it, check out Kawasaki's website, find the pricing on the Ninja 1000 SX, figure out maybe this bike's for you. With that beautiful dash, that beautiful dashboard. Until next time, Select Rider Race, hope you enjoyed this review of this Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX. And until next time, this is Corey with Select Rider Race. Thanks for watching.